alam mo
Si
yung...
Guteza, bakit lahat hindi alam kung nasaan din siya?
Si Gutesa, siguro alam ni Yuse kung nasan si Gutesa. At saka
Bakit
yung
naman sa akin
pamilya niya.
ibibintang? Baka kayo may alam.
Ay,
Total, kayo
hindi
naman
ko alam
yata
kasi,
may kakilala dyan.
Hindi, ikaw ang nasa gobyerno eh.
Pero teka lang, sino ba nag-present sa kanila?
Ay,
Yung mga
hindi
kaalyado
ko alam
nyo
kung sino
nag-present sa
nag-present.
kanila.
Please do not accuse
Hindi kami
me.
nag-present dyan. Baka kaalyado nyo nag-present
Ay,
dyan.
hindi. Ayan ang propaganda. Biro mo ang assertion mo, ako kasama.
Eh, ba't mo
Excuse
hinahanap
me.
sa akin? Baka
Ay,
alam mo.
Alam mo, pag ikaw ang estado,
Okay.
never mind.
Well, let's
I respect this show. I do not want to go to the gutter.
So don't
Let's ask
start
ng vote,
kasi.
let's ask
You're
ng vote.
putting something to me.
But you are representing government.
But still, bakit ko malalaman? Hindi ako nag-present dyan.
Oh,
bakit mo sa akin
You
ipapaturo
can
sa akin
always
na
say
malamang
it
alam
in a
ko?
very nice way
But
without
you don't have
insulting
to
people.
start.
Oh,
You don't
my,
have to
excuse
start.
me.
Okay po.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Ano
You
po?
don't have to start.
Ganito po. Let's ask na lang each one. Do we have any information from either end? Any information from either end of where he is? And
No, I don't
Wala.
know. There was someone who told me that he is in the custody of government, agencies of government, including the family.
including the family.
Including the family. So, do I know for certain? No. It was relayed to me. Am I part of the scheme that some people would say I am part? I am not. I am just an ordinary citizen who loves this country and would like to comment on certain things.
Tinanong natin yan sa Marines eh. At sinabi nila na wala sa kustodiya nila, walang nakakaalam. Siguro ang dapat
si
na
Mike
natin
Defensor
tanong si
din,
Mike
ano?
Defensor.
No, we already asked Mike